Hello guys, I'm here again. Papunta kami ngayon sa may Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya. Well, sa habang nga ng biyahe going there, nag-drop off muna kami doon sa may Suyusoy, which is doon kami nag-breakfast. Well, ang destination sana namin is yung Green Lake View Adventure. Pero since nung we arrived there nga is fully booked sila. So, although nagpa-pencil booking kami, since hindi kami nakapag-down, may nauna sa amin. So, yun nga, napunta kami sa may, sa Twins Garden. Pero, okay lang din naman sa Twins Garden. Okay yung view doon. Actually, ito yung way nila. Yun nga, rough road pa lang yan. From main highway going there, parang magkatabi sila. Mas ahead lang yung, yung Twins Garden from Lakeview. So they are located in Putuk 6, Masok, Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya. According to Google, Twins Garden it features refreshing swimming pools, newly renovated cozy cottages, panoramic mountain views, and an event space for gathering or photo shoots. So here are the features and amenities. Number one, refreshing pools, outdoor swimming pools designed for family and group relaxation. Number two, scenic views, elevated mountaintop, location overlooking the Nueva Vizcaya landscape. So number three, accommodations and spaces, newly updated cottages, outdoor dining areas, and a playhouse for kids. Number four, venue options suitable for private gatherings, reunions, and pre-nuptial shoots. So you can contact them through text or call with this number 0917-110-2706, and or you can email them with their accounts, which is twinsgardenbnb@yahoo.com. Like other hotels and resort, the checkout time is 2 p.m. and checkout time is 12 noon in the following day. Price range is 4K plus. It depends on how many person or what room you will avail for. They also have firing range, but you need to bring your own gun. The rent is bare minimum, but yun na nga, you have your own gun. They don't have gun for rent. There are activities in the resort that you can enjoy with, like bicycle, riding a bicycle, then playground, tennis playground, like that. But of course, they are all rentable. As you can see the previous video, we stopped by at Green River View to inquire, but then they are fully booked. So we end up here at Twins Garden, and here we are. As you can see, it's so malawak, malawak yung view here, and very nice. That is, I think this is a fishing pond. They're still improving the area. The construction is still going on. The problem is they don't have restaurant, and they have what do you call this, canteen, but they only serve for meriendas. The only option is to take orders from outside. So I think may connected sila from Chowking or Mang Inasal yata yun, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi yun yung binigay nilang menu. Yun, doon kami nag-order for our dinner since wala nga silang restaurant. Since pagdating nga namin dyan is super mainit, kaya ayun, mga around 6 o'clock na kami naglibot sa area. And although madilim, maganda naman yung place. Saka nakikita naman with the lights, 'di ba? Ayun. Super ganda, super malawak. Yung building na yan is kung saan naka-stay yung mga member ng yung mga nagpa-firing. So diyan sila, may mga ewan ko, may membership yata diyan. Yung mga ayun, shooters. So nilapitan nga namin yung building na yun to find out kung ano yung itsura to find out kung ano yung itsura niya. Kaso nga lang, syempre, pagdating namin doon, it's mga rooms talaga. And may mga vehicle nga doon na naka-park. So, may naka-stay doon. So, the firing range is bandang dulo pa siguro. Hindi dyan na area. mas malayo konti. Then yun na nga, pabalik kami dun sa reception area para mag-rent ng ng bicycle. But then hindi pala doon. So sa may canteen. May area kasi diyan na na maliit, may parang store siya na doon magre-rent ng ng bicycle. Hindi sa may reception area. So ayun na nga, around pagkatapos maglibot nga, nag-rent kami ng bike. Then around, I think 7 o'clock na yun, past 7. Then mga ilang ikot lang. Then trinay namin pumunta dun sa pinakadulo. But then syempre madilim na. So, nakakatakot naman kung magpupusid pa kami. And may gate doon sa dulo. So ayun na nga, after naming nagbike ng ilang round, practice ba? Where hindi pa kami ganoon ka bihasa sa pagbabike. Then nung na-satisfied na kami, syempre binalik yung bike. Then ayun, bumalik na kami sa aming rooms para magbihis para sa pag-swimming. Ayun na nga, before kami nga nag-swimming, nag-photoshoot muna kami. Of course, hindi mawawala yun lagi. Then, may kasamang TikTok. TikTok man, dance TikTok. Ayun. Kaya, ganyan ang ginawa namin ng gabi. Night routine. Actually, parang kami lang dyan. Kami lang. Pero maraming tao. Nung pagdating namin, maraming tao. Pero parang lang sila. Hindi sila nag-overnight. So, parang kami lang yung nag-overnight that day. And that is the morning view. Mas lalong ang ganda. So, breakfast time. Yung accommodation namin pala is kasama yung free breakfast. So, sulit naman yung breakfast namin. Para siyang platter ang ginawa. And yung platter namin is super madami. Nabusog talaga kami. Then, may free, saging ba? Fruits. Then, ayun na nga yung canteen nila where they only serve snacks. Yung yung madali lang. So, hindi yan restaurant. Parang resto siya. Kaso nga lang, hindi sila nagsiserve ng pang yung yung pang lunch and yung mga madaling lutuin lang ang siniserve nila. Ang ganda rin tong canteen nila. Pang social ba? Saan daming decoration. Talagang inayos siya. Hindi siya basta-basta lang na nakainan. And as you can see, yung dining table nila is maganda. Super ganda. Diba? And ayun na nga, pwede kang habang nag-aantay ng food sis pwede mong libutin yung area, yung dining area nila. So ayan, may what do you call this? Aquarium. So after breakfast nga, nilibot na naman yung area para makita yung morning view ng area, 'di ba? Super ganda. Super maganda siya sa kinumagahan. And yun nga, satisfied naman kami nag-stay dyan kahit na hindi ito yung una namin na prefer. After nga nilibot yung area, actually hindi kami yung lumibot, yung si Vanessa, yung kasama namin, and us, bali tatlo kasi kami nag-stay dyan. So, kami ni Rachel is, bumalik sa room para mag-prepare for checkout. Siyempre, maliligo. And ako yung naunang naligo that time kasi super matagal ako maligo. Umabot ako ng almost 30 minutes. Supposedly, hindi dapat, diba? Hindi dapat mababad yung skin natin ng ganun katagal sa water. But then, sanay na ba? Diba? Yan. Ang pag-stay pala namin dito is lang para sa aming transaction. Bale may kailangan akong gawin sa may ROD. So yun na nga parang every trouble namin is nahahati. Work and leisure ba? Leisure I should say. So ayan yung place. Sayang nga lang at nung time na pumunta kami diyan is mainit siya. So hindi namin napuntahan bawat sulok yung area. Pero like what I said before na I'm satisfied. We're satisfied staying there. And yan na pa-check out na kami. Papunta kami sa reception area to settle our bills. And puntahan ang aming next destination which is the ROD. So ayan, etong way na to is papasok na sa may
Registry of Deeds. Magkakatabi yung mga yan. Nandyan na yung City Hall, LTO, ROD, ano pa, andyan na yung BIR. Ayun, magkakatabing building. So, sa isang compound, nandiyan na yung mga business offices, which is okay naman, di ba? Para hindi na, unlike here, dito sa Baguio is ang lalayo ng distansya. So, dyan is lang, you can park, kung may sasakyan ka, mag-park ka lang sa gilid, pagkatapos mapuntahan mo na lahat ng mga government offices, kung ilang government offices ang pupuntahan mo. Kaya, less time and effort. As usual, umabot kami ng more than an hour dyan sa may Registry of Deeds. Pero, okay naman. May consideration naman sila. Kasi, ang style pala ng Bayumbong, before mo i-file yung documents mo is iwan mo yung number, yata, then, sa kanila tatawagan kung pwede ka nang magbayad. Pero since we're from Baguio, kinonsider naman nila. So, yun, medyo nagtagal. Mga almost 2 hours kami. Pero at least, di ba, hindi na kami yung pinabalik pa para lang mag-comply or magbayad. So, after namin sa ROD, pumunta kami sa dealer to claim plate. Kaso nga lang, unfortunately, wala sa kanila yung plaka. So, pero as of now, meron na. Kaya lang, kailangan namin bumalik sa kanila. Ay nako, gabing trouble na naman ito. Since pabalik na kami ng Baguio, ayoko namang dumaan ulit via Ambuklao Road. So, as usual, naisipan kong via Maliko kami. Although same sila sa Ambuklao, kaso nga lang mas malapit tong Maliko compared doon sa Ambuklao. Then, ayun na nga, for our lunch and dinner na kasi hapon na ito. Dumaan kami dito sa may The Boil spot. Diyan kami nag dinner and lunch. Minsanan na para tipid. Ito ay isang grill and resto. We are located at Barangay Antiporda Street, Tayug, Pangasinan. Yung range ng food nila is minimal lang. Kayang-kaya sa budget. And ito ay makikita agad since katabi lang niya talaga ng kalsada. So, yun lang, mayroon siyang parking area. Buti nila nung pumunta kami is walang nakapark dun sa may tapat nila mismo. So, sabi naman ng owner is allowed naman kami na magpark dun as long as ay maipark na maayos and na maigilid na mabuti. Yung hindi nakakaabala ba. Yan yung in-order namin, unlimited seafoods, which is 299 lang yung karaming yan. So, very affordable and masarap din naman yung pagkakaluto. After namin kumain, ayun na, pauwi na ng Baguio. Ayun na, super madilim na, palubog na yung araw. And after the video ends, hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung video for today's vlog, and hopefully yun nga, ipa-follow. And nasiyahan man kayo kahit na medyo bored yung aking pananalita. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you soon. See you soon.